What if you could replace a pocket full of bulky tools with something that fits right inside your wallet? In this video, we're showcasing 9 clever hidden tool wallets and wallet-sized multi-tools that deliver impressive functionality without adding extra bulk to your everyday carry. From the versatile KeySmart AllTul Wolf and the compact Victorinox Swiss Card Classic to feature packed credit card multi-tools like the Lever Gear Toolcard Pro, these innovative EDC Essentials are designed to help you stay prepared wherever life takes you, all while keeping your pockets light and organized. Number 1. Meet the KeySmart AllTul Wolf, your everyday carry upgrade. Small keychain tool, built for real-world moments. Out camping, on the trail, or at the campsite. When gear needs fixing, this tool comes ready. When a bottle needs opening, it handles that too. When packages pile up, it cuts through fast. That's 5 essential functions in one compact design. Bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head, flathead, box opener. No extra bulk in your pocket or pack. Just one slim stainless steel tool on your keychain. Its wolf-inspired shape stands out with purpose. More than style, it's made for dependable daily use. Built from stainless steel for strength and durability. Rugged enough for outdoor trips and everyday repairs. Lightweight at just 0.04 pounds. So it travels easily without weighing you down. Perfect for minimalist EDC setups and smart key holders. Fits neatly on your keyring, wallet, or organizer. Always nearby when you need a quick fix. No scrambling for loose tools in the wrong moment. From campsite tasks to routine daily adjustments. It turns helpless moments into handy solutions. That's the value of truly practical design. Reliable, compact, and ready whenever you are. A smart choice for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. A must-have for EDC users who value efficiency. A small tool that delivers a bigger experience. Backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Built to support your everyday carry with confidence. Choose the KeySmart AllTul Wolf and stay prepared. Number 2. Ever forget a tool exactly when you need it most? Travel days make small problems feel way bigger. Bulky wallets and loose tools just slow you down. That's where this clever little wallet changes everything. Meet the Nite Financial Multi-Tool Wallet. It looks slim, but it packs serious everyday utility. Inside, you get 7 functions in one stainless card. A bottle opener for quick drinks anywhere. Flathead and Phillips screwdrivers for fast fixes. A tape cutter for packages and daily tasks. 3 wrench sizes for handy adjustments on the go. And built-in metric and standard rulers too. It even works as a secure cash wrap wallet. Your cards and bills stay neatly held in place. Perfect for travel, commuting, camping, and quick errands. The TSA-friendly design makes airport days less stressful. No bulky clutter, no extra pocket mess. Just a compact tool that earns its spot. Forged from heat-treated stainless steel, it feels incredibly solid. It won't bend easily, and it won't break easily. So you can count on it again and again. The slim profile slides easily into any pocket. It suits men and women who like practical gear. Open a bottle, tighten a screw, or measure quickly. One wallet handles the little surprises of the day. That's the kind of everyday convenience people remember. Nite designs smart tools that solve real problems. This one keeps your essentials organized and close. If you travel often, this is an easy yes. If you like compact EDC gear, even better. Simple, durable, and genuinely useful every day. Grab the Nite Financial Multi-Tool Wallet today. Number 3. Need a tool that actually earns pocket space every day. Meet Lever Gear Toolcard Pro, your wallet-sized problem solver. Reason 1. 40 functions handle repairs, openings, and measurements. From screwdrivers to wrenches, it covers daily fixes fast. No more searching for the right tool mid-task. Reason 2. Ultra-slim design slips into any wallet. At just 1 ounce, it travels anywhere effortlessly. Take it hiking, commuting, camping, or on job sites. TSA-compliant convenience means you stay ready while moving. Reason 3. Premium 420 stainless steel means serious durability. Smooth edges feel better, grip better, and won't snag. This isn't gimmicky gear. It's practical, rugged, and clean. Need to tighten something? Grab the right wrench instantly. Need to open a box? Use the built-in cutter. Need to pop a bottle? Done in seconds. Need a ruler? Metric and inch scales are ready. Need a pry bar? It's already built into the card. For handymen, this is everyday efficiency in your pocket. For outdoors lovers, it's a compact survival companion. For EDC fans, it's minimalist gear with maximum utility. The black finish looks sharp, modern, and professional. It also makes a great gift for practical people. Dad, brother, co-workers, campers, and DIY lovers will appreciate it. Choose the 2-pack and keep one, gift one. You'll wonder how you carried less before this. Small tool, big usefulness, zero wasted space. If you value preparedness, this card belongs with you. Tap now, grab yours, and upgrade your everyday carry. Be ready for the next fix before it happens. Order today and carry 40 solutions in one card. Number 4. Ever need a tool and never have one nearby? Loose screws, stuck caps, and tiny repairs always happen suddenly. Then you waste time searching drawers, bags, or your car. That's exactly why this compact multi-tool card makes sense. Meet the Bulursus 1-1 in one pocket-sized problem solver. It fits right in your wallet, pocket, or key pouch. Small enough to carry everywhere, useful enough to keep. Inside, you get multiple everyday tools in one card. Bottle opener, screwdrivers, wrenches, ruler, saw blade, and more. So, you're ready for quick fixes, outdoor tasks, and emergencies. No bulky toolbox. No extra clutter. Just grab and go. Made from ultra-strong stainless steel for long-lasting durability. Built to handle repeated use without feeling flimsy. Perfect for camping trips, travel, home repairs, and EDC. It's practical for handymen, outdoor enthusiasts, and everyday users. Need to open a bottle? Done in seconds. Need a quick measurement? The ruler is already there. Need a screwdriver or wrench? It's built into the card. Before, you were unprepared and wasting time. After, you've got one slim tool for everyday surprises. That's the kind of convenience people actually keep using. And because it's wallet-sized, it's always within reach. No digging, no forgetting, no unnecessary bulk. It also makes a smart gift for men. Useful, compact, and something they'll genuinely appreciate. You get 2 packs, so one stays home, one travels. Or keep one and gift the other to someone practical. Backed by a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind, if you want everyday utility in a slim form, this is it. Bulursus Multi-Tool Card. Carry less, solve more. Order now. Number 5. Think a big toolbox is always the smarter choice. In real life, emergencies rarely wait for convenience. I recommend practical gear that stays with you daily. That is why the 3 7-in-1 credit card multi-tool stands out. It combines essential functions into one slim steel card. Made from durable 316 stainless steel for dependable performance. You get tools for opening, tightening, measuring, and cutting, all in a format designed for everyday carry. Unlike bulky kits, it fits neatly inside your wallet, so readiness does not depend on remembering extra gear. The compact design keeps weight low and convenience high. A sleeve cover adds protection and safer handling. That matters when you carry it in your pocket daily. The set also includes practical accessories for immediate use. Card holder, keyring, money clip, carabiner, and guide. Together, they create a complete gift-ready package. For men who value useful gifts, this is a strong pick. It suits dads, husbands, travelers, campers, and DIY users. Because versatility often beats single-purpose tools. One card can handle simple repairs and outdoor tasks. It can open bottles, turn screws, measure, and more. That makes it useful at home, work, or on trips. Customers praise its sleek design and broad functionality. Many say it feels like the best multi-tool card they own. This is the kind of gift people actually keep. Not just novelty, but real, everyday value. If you want compact preparedness, this is a smart choice. If you need a practical men's gift, it delivers. If you want both utility and presentation, it checks every box. Choose the 3 7-in-1 multi-tool card set today. Be ready for anything, anywhere, anytime. Number 6. Your wallet just got promoted to a toolbox. Meet the Victorinox Swiss Card Classic. Tiny but mighty. Slim as a credit card, packed with 10 functions. Scissors, pen, blade, tweezers, always ready when needed. No bulky pocket knife, no searching through drawers. Just slide it out and solve the moment. Open packages faster with the built-in small blade. Trim loose threads with precise, easy scissors. Write quick notes with the pressurized ballpoint pen. Fix tiny problems using the screwdriver in seconds. Need a cleanup? Tweezers and toothpick are included. Even nail care is covered with the integrated file. Every tool feels thoughtfully placed, clean, and clever. That is Swiss engineering, refined for everyday carry. Weighing under 1 ounce, it disappears into your wallet. Or slip it into a purse, organizer, or glove box. Perfect for travelers who value smart, compact essentials. Perfect for professionals who need utility without clutter. And perfect as a gift that feels genuinely useful. Its translucent ruby finish adds a sleek, modern touch. Small enough to forget, powerful enough to rely on. From office fixes to travel emergencies, it adapts instantly. A pocket-sized companion for modern life on the move. 10 functions, 1 elegant card, endless everyday convenience. Built by Victorinox, trusted for iconic Swiss quality. Precision-made, durable, and designed to last for years. This is the multi-tool your wallet has been waiting for. Carry less. Do more. Stay prepared. Everywhere. Upgrade your everyday carry with Swiss Card Classic today. Get yours now and keep smart tools within reach. Number 7. Ever need one tiny tool for everything? Then you're stuck hunting for the right one, or carrying a bulky box of tools everywhere. That's where Toolcard Pro changes the game. A 4-0-in-1 multi-tool, sized like a credit card. Slim enough to slip right into your wallet. At just 1 ounce, it barely adds weight, and at 1.5 millimeters thin, it disappears fast. No jagged edges, no wallet snagging, no hassle, just a smooth, secure grip when you need it. Inside, you get wrenches, screwdrivers, and a pry bar, plus a cord cutter, ruler, bottle opener, and box opener. It even includes a camping can opener. Perfect for quick fixes at home, work, or outside. Need to tighten something? Grab the right wrench. Need to open a box? Done in seconds. Need a drink break? Bottle opener is ready. Need to measure? Metric and inch scales are built in. The black 420 stainless steel looks clean and tough. Heat-treated construction means it's made to last. It's also TSA compliant, so travel stays simple. Perfect for travelers who like to stay prepared. And for handymen who hate being caught unready. Outdoorsmen will love how lightweight and reliable it feels. No flash, no gimmicks, just real everyday utility. A smart gift for dads, campers, and tool lovers. Grab the 2-pack and save while you're at it. Toolcard Pro keeps you ready for whatever comes next. Slip one in your wallet and carry less stress. Get yours today and make daily fixes easier. Number 8. Most people think a wallet tool is just a gimmick, but emergencies rarely happen when a full toolbox is nearby. I review everyday carry gear for practicality, durability, and value. And this NexTool card multi-tool solves real problems efficiently. It packs 20 functions into a credit card-sized body. Pliers, knife, screwdrivers, bottle opener, hex keys, and more. That means fewer bulky tools, more readiness everywhere you go. For outdoor users, compact gear can make all the difference. For DIY fixes, speed matters more than carrying extra weight. This tool fits easily inside a wallet or pocket. At only 91 grams, it stays lightweight all day. The included leather case helps prevent scratches and wear. Its 420 J2 stainless steel construction adds dependable everyday strength. Titanium plating and sandblasting give it a refined finish. The textured design also feels solid and comfortable in hand. Foldable pliers improve gripping, clamping, and twisting control. That matters when repairing gear, tightening parts, or opening packages. The built-in ruler and wire tools add practical versatility. The 6 hex spanners cover common sizes for quick adjustments. It is especially useful for camping, hiking, and roadside tasks. Cyclists, travelers, and field repair users will appreciate the convenience. For gift buyers, it feels useful, modern, and thoughtful. It works well as a gift for dads, husbands, and groomsmen. It also makes a smart stocking stuffer for men and women. Instead of guessing, choose a gift people will actually use. When a small fix appears, this tool is already with you. That everyday readiness is the real value of EDC gear. Compact, durable, and functional. Exactly what a wallet multi-tool should be. If you want practical carry, NexTool is an easy recommendation. Keep one in your wallet and stay prepared anywhere. Number 9. Need a tool, but your pockets are already full? That's the daily hassle for DIYers, travelers, and outdoor people. Small problems still show up, whether you're home or away. Loose screws, stuck tabs, opened packages, forgotten tools, and carrying a full toolbox everywhere just isn't realistic. Meet the Tactica M010 credit card multi-tool, a 2-3-in-1 EDC tool smaller than a credit card. It slips into your wallet without adding bulk, so you're always prepared, without feeling overloaded. Built from 420C stainless steel for everyday durability, finished with PVD coating for added toughness. And at just 27 grams, it stays light. One slim card handles a surprising amount of tasks. Open bottles fast when the moment calls for it. Tighten bolts with the universal wrench set. Use the 1 4-inch hex drive socket for quick fixes. Cut cord, open boxes, and scrape small surfaces. Measure on the spot with metric and imperial rulers. Pry, turn, and adjust with one compact companion. Before, digging through bags for a missing tool. After, reaching into your wallet and getting it done. Before, delaying the fix because you're under-equipped. After, handling it in seconds with confidence. That's the kind of convenience that makes sense for hiking, cycling, travel, camping, and daily carry. For quick repairs, emergency moments, and unexpected tasks. For anyone who wants more function in less space. The Tactica M10 is ready when you need it. Compact, durable, and built for real everyday use. Upgrade your wallet carry with one tool that covers more. Tactica M10 carry smarter, stay ready. That wraps up our list of 9 clever hidden tool wallets that prove you don't need to carry a bulky multi-tool to be ready for everyday challenges. Whether you're looking for a minimalist backup tool, a wallet-friendly multi-tool, or a compact solution that saves space without sacrificing utility, there's something on this list for every EDC enthusiast. If you enjoyed this roundup, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more everyday carry gear and practical gadget recommendations, and let us know in the comments which wallet multi-tool you'd trust in your daily carry.